At High Score Finance, we focus on quick, easy, and reliable metrics that will help you improve your credit. Our process potentially begins when you schedule a call for a brief one-on-one consultation that will enable our team of professionals to familiarize themselves with you and to quickly formulate solutions suitable to your needs. Once you've agreed to become a client, we're confident that our highly skilled consultants will lead you to a well-suited path of actions, which includes, but are not limited to, obtaining a secured client portal. This is extremely important to us. As you entrust us with your personal information, it is our duty to ensure as best we can the security of that information. Data upload of relevant information. We ensure that only relevant information will be secured and kept. Information processing. After uploading your secured information, our team decides upon a goal, a sequence of actions, and a practical timeline. We prepare the necessary paperwork, which includes our uniquely crafted letters of dispute. Letters are expedited to the credit bureaus. Your negative items are removed as quickly as possible. You are then qualified for approval of that new home, car, or other lines of credit.